Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to speed ramp your footage in Filmora, a technique that makes slow and fast motion flow smoothly for a professional look. Let's get started. First, all you have to do is to launch the Filmora and open a project or create a new one and then import your video clip and then drag it into the timeline. And then after that, click on your video clip in the timeline, then go to the toolbar. Above the timeline, click the speed. Or then go to speed ramping. Then the Filmora offers presets like the montage, hero moment, bullet, time, and jump cut. You can also create a custom speed ramp. And then to use the preset or customize, just choose a preset or click custom to manually adjust the speed keyframes. Drag the points up to speed up or down to slow down that portion of the video. The smoother the curve, the more cinematic the transition. Pro tip: use a speed ramping to highlight actions like jumps, transition, and scenic reveals. And then play your clip and fine tune each point to match the motion you want. You can move the keyframes for a perfect timing. And once you're happy with the speed ramp effect, click export. Choose the format or resolution and then save like a pro level video. And that's it. That's how you speed ramp like a pro in Filmora. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for any easy editing guides, and then ring that bell so you can never miss a tip. Thanks for watching.